Hello and welcome to free .NET tutorials. This is Emmanuel Mendu. Today we will see how to create store procedures and how to call store procedure from the C# code and how to insert and delete and update data in the tables through store procedures. Usually, one of the user of CoolTuts, Bhavesh Rohit, he asked me this video, so I'm doing this. So you can ask your if you want any example like that, you can comment me and ask me. Okay, so let's go and create our website first. So after creating website, now I will show you how to get our connection string because we need a connection string to access from Visual Studio to the SQL developer. So what I will do, I'll just go to data tab. You can drag any control here. Like I'll take SQL data source. This one way you can directly write manually, but for the beginners, I'm showing how to get the connection here. If you didn't get anything here, like you can directly type immo slash SQL Express. Let me go and type lightway. Okay, I will take a master here as a database. So this is the connection string. Just copy that. You can remove this control from your page. So I think you already familiar with how to uh, call a SQL connection, how to call database from the front end. So this is the connection, and whatever I copied previously, I just specified here, and this is the command. So now what we will do is, now our command type is, like, let's say store procedure. So before going next step in the C sharp, we'll go to the database and create our table and the procedure here. So first I will create a table, let's say ID int and name. Okay, it's a small example. It's not complex. It's a simple example. Let's say TBL simple, and go to programmability and right click on the store procedure and create a store procedure. Let's say save ID. Okay, so first I won't put any parameters. Just I will say insert into table select one. Okay, let's see how this works. Just run it. So there are two columns, so let's say emo. Okay, so the procedure will be created here. Just refresh it. So this is the procedure. So you can now call this procedure. Let's see. Let's go and give the command text, the procedure name, and here open the connection. After opening, just instantiate the connection to the command connection. Okay, so now just write execute on query. This is a simple step, like don't think much, but this is a small simple example for the beginners. I'm just running this. So when it run, let's go to the database and see is there any data inserted. Okay, if you run again, it will be same data. So this is the static data. So if you want dynamic, just I will give you one more example, like just I will send one parameter says name. Let's it will be now it will be alter, and I will save this name into the table. So the ID will make it as a primary key. So after making that, the error will go. So let's say right click it, say primary, and let's specify the auto increment the identity and close this, or just this run this proc. So now it is successful. So from the front end, what we'll do is we will send the parameter. So before sending the parameter, we can do either way. We'll take a small text box and one button. Okay, so in this we will write all this code, the database. When you click on the button, whatever user entered in the text box, we will save in the database. We'll see that. Okay, so here what I'm doing is, let's create SQL parameter p1 equal to new parameter. Let's give a value here and parameter name. Better we'll follow sequence. This is a parameter name, and the value will be our text box dot text. Okay, this added, and we need to add this parameter to our command. Okay, this is added. So let's go and run it. So let's see how it works. So we'll say test. So when I click on the button, so let's go and refresh our table, open it. So the text is inserted with the increment of 2. So what I will do, I will go again and say text1. Okay, the same way what we will do is we'll give the ID as parameter. Okay, or we'll give ID as parameter, and what we'll do, we'll just run it and we'll update our front end. You can directly copy one text box and create another. So this will be ID and this will be the name and the button. So let's see how this goes. So I will add one more parameter. So this will be the ID, and let's give this as P. the second one will be the ID, so just interchange. Okay, so just save it. So what I will do is I will assign the ID number to update or insert. If the ID is there, it will update it. So here we need to write if exist. So select start from TBL where ID equal to okay. So if here what we'll do is if not exist else we'll update the table. Update the table set name equal to name ID equal to ID. The same way what we'll do is if if I send the name as empty, so it should be deleted. The data should be deleted. So what I will do is here we'll check if is or like that, or we'll check just empty. Here we'll give a delete tbl song simple where id equal to id. Now we'll run it. So the proc is run, and we'll go and run our screen here. So we'll see, sorry, the table structure here. So we have test one. So what I will do, I will enter 3 and or something like that, and I will just click on button. So when you see it's updated. So if you want to delete the 3, now I will click on button. This is deleted. Got it? So you have simple steps. In just 10 minutes, you will know how to call, how to call a store procedure for the delete, insert, and everything. That's it. If you want more, just visit cooltuts.com. Right now I'm working on our new website here, new template. I'm moving all the blogger to the cooltuts. I mean my own server. So it is taking time to get the data pushed because I'm only the one who is working here in in my blog. So it's taking time. So be patient. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.